Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. As we know that Capgemini XLR Superset mass hiring is announced. This is the part second video in which we will discuss about the step-by-step registration process plus updated resume format. There is a 100% resume shortlisting process. So you have to update your resume before applying for opportunity. I already shared Capgemini XLR mass hiring video for all of you, so you guys can check everything as I mentioned here. We have one confusion that in this opportunity they mention some related to sales related role they mention, but one thing here also mention strong programming skills as well as the ability to review complex code, contribute to global business and technology. Okay, this is the desired skill sets. So one thing that I have to mention, this is a software engineer XLR pan India opportunity. It is a technical opportunity, so no need to worry about anything. Okay, first of all, update your resume format. How you will update? I shared two resume format with all of you. First is, this is a one of our family member, one of our team member candidate selected resume format. Means already this resume format is selected in so many company, and this is a overleaf resume format, so you guys can check according to your, and you can click on download option here. Just download the word file here. Okay, so download, click on word file here. The word file will be downloaded and you have to update your resume. Okay, and you can also use this AB resume format. Okay, this is very helpful for all of you. You can directly write this on Google AB resume template and you will update your resume on overleaf portal. Okay, fine, let's apply for opportunity. Click on apply now button. Use self-imaged resume. Proceed to apply. Choose Capgemini resume. What is your overall experience? So you can mention freshers or zero, no problem. Okay, so you can mention like this, freshers. Or what is your notice period? So zero. Gap education in year, zero. Okay, please specify your gender, male. Do you have any gap in education? No. Active backlog? No. Consider. Have you applied for any other role previously? Yes. If you select, so please provide the job title. Have you worked with Capgemini previously? Click on no. Apply. Okay, I agree with that and click on accept and proceed. Now we have to do, you have successfully applied for this job opening. One thing that I have to mention, actually I already I already completed the Aadhaar digital verification. That's why okay, fine. You can see application submitted Capgemini software XLR. Hi Lokesh, has been submitted successfully. To check the progress, you can log in to Superset team Superset 0 minute ago. This is all about the hiring. I hope you find this video well. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.